I don't know how and I don't know why. But when something's living we can't see die.
Take a look at this unbelievable video from overnight. A suspected drunk driver flies right through the air in a violent crash. This happened about 2 a.m. near 4th Street and Daisy Avenue in Long Beach. Witnesses say a woman was speeding in a BMW and then jumped a traffic circle in the middle of the intersection. The car, as you could see, flew high into the air before hitting several parked cars. The driver, amazingly, not hurt. She was arrested on suspicion of DUI. The force of the crash pushed a large boulder at the traffic circle into parked cars. No one else was hurt either.
Portland police released this video just this morning in hopes that you may recognize the two people or the two vehicles in it. Take a look. This video was taken back on Wednesday at 21st Century Towing along North Kirby Avenue. It shows a man with bolt cutters trying to get through the fence. When that doesn't work, a woman squeezes herself under it. Then police say she tries to drive away in an impounded truck. At the same time, a worker is unlocking the gate. That's when the driver smashes through the fence, hitting him. Police say the two arrived in this white work van and say they got away with the 2016 Ford F-150. It's charcoal in color with an Oregon license plate of 628JPJ. And they say it likely has substantial damage to the front of it. If you see it or recognize anyone in that video,
Okay.
Dude, that is ridiculous. Oh my god.
Speed up. She's watching a TV show.
She actually has TV on.
She's watching Love is Blind.
Should we honk at her and be like, yeah, are you fucking kidding? She's smiling. Oh my god.
Yes, that is a fucking movie playing on her dash, on her fucking phone, on her Speedo, in the wet, driving down the fucking road, you stupid bitch.
Fucking stop. Nah, I'm not. Am I gonna hit you? I'm sorry.
Nah, you're good.
Is there any big brand?
Nah, go, just go.
Helping traffic. Driver. They're not even fucking moving. You're good, you're good.
Drunk.
Holy shit.
Lady, pull over. You shouldn't be on the road. We gotta call the cops.
We got your license
Pull over.
plate.
We have your license plate. You're gonna kill somebody. Oh my God.
We've got your license plate, lady.
I got a good video of the car.
You got kids? You want to see somebody hit them with their fucking car?
It's the sun.
You're a fucking moron. Get off the road. Yeah, we're calling the cops. Got your car, got your license plate. You just ran a light, you idiot.
You almost hit us back there. Get off the road. You're gonna kill somebody.
GKV 7862. GKV 7862.
I already have the video, Connor.
She might not know this.
That is a great example.
I don't celebrate Christmas. It's a pagan fucking holiday, bitch. Merry Christmas. Move your car, bitch. I don't think so. Are you out of control, bitch? I swear to God, I really will whip your ass. Move your fucking ass. I'm not afraid of you. No, I'm sure you're not. Move your fucking car. You're holding up everybody. Move. Back up and leave.
All right, put down the phone. Put down the phone. I went to Texas Highway Patrol. The reason for the stop tonight is driving on the improved shoulder. What took so long for you to pull over?
So I'm trying to figure out where I'm going. I'm getting directions to someone's house, and at the same time, you have your lights on. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going.
Okay, why can't you go take this?
I'm talking to someone nearby me. and
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out where I'm
Who takes priority? I do. Okay. When I activate my emergency lights, you pull over. Okay. You don't keep going for another 3-4 miles.
Where?
When I first activated my lights, you had half of a mile to stop. You had a good shoulder, then you had an exit you could take. Then you kept on going. There was another shoulder you could stop. There was a good portion. Let me see your driver license, your insurance. Where are you coming from tonight? Where are you coming from tonight, ma'am?
Downtown Dallas.
Okay, what are we doing in downtown Dallas?
Out with my friends.
How much alcohol have you consumed this evening?
One drink.
Just one? What was it?
Vodka and pineapple.
Okay. What time did this drink? What time did you have this drink?
11.
So it was a good time to go. What have you been doing for the last 2 hours? 2.5
I've sat in the parking lot talking to my friends for about 45 minutes and I'm not trying to find my way to places unfamiliar to me.
Where are you trying to go? Huh?
That's my fiance's house.
You don't know where your fiance lives?
Smoke here.
Okay, where did he move to?
Waxahachie.
Okay, well, but where in Waxahachie?
The address is not even the map. The problem is the map won't pull it up. So it's like, I think it's this exit.
How long have your fiance lived here?
Like 3 days.
Oh, so it really is just.
Yeah.
Do you not know where your driver license is?
It wasn't here. I gotta find it.
grocery store. And this stuff has been back there the entire time?
Yeah, because I didn't have enough time.
Eggs and chicken?
Yeah, I didn't have enough time to get the groceries out. I had to go out.
That's not safe to eat anymore.
Yes, it is.
I see your insurance.
I got a blue,
Just put. Okay. Just go ahead and step on out for me. Just sit your phone down. You can leave all that stuff there on the seat.
All right.
Take the hat off for me. Sit on the seat, please. Thank you. Just step on back here. Just set the hat down. I don't want you to lose it. That's the only reason.
No, it's fine.
Thank you. I also see there's a couple of containers of alcohol in the back seat. It looks like wine and
Yes, I'm
vodka.
bringing that from groceries from my house to his house.
So when you got that this morning?
I got that like 7 o'clock this evening. And then I went and met my friends downtown Dallas. And then he started trying to tell me the address. And when I saw your lights and everything was covered and trying to get over to the shoulder, I was like, this is not a safe place to get. So I was trying to exit. Yeah.
So you told me you only had one drink of alcohol.
Yes, I had vodka and pineapple.
How much alcohol was it?
It was like maybe a half a glass of this tall.
How much vodka is it?
It was weak.
So who drank the rest of the vodka?
That vodka and that wine came from my house.
You told me you just bought it at the grocery store at 7.
All the groceries I bought from the grocery store. The wine and the alcohol I strictly brought from my house to take to his house. And he just literally moved there like 3 days ago. So I'm like, where am I going? And he's trying to tell me, exit 408, exit 403. I'm like, where in the hell? And I graduated from Cedar Hill. I graduated from UT. And I'm like, I don't know where you are.
You don't know this area. All right.
Jesus Christ.
Well, just wait over here for me where my light is. I'll be right back with you. Alright, so I'm going to be conducting a couple tests based on the driving behavior, the alcohol in the bag. Just had one drink. One more we're going to go through. What I need you to do, face towards this way again. Stand with your feet, heels and toes together, arms down at your side. You're going to maintain that position until I tell you to. This one's called the one leg stand. What you're going to be doing is taking a leg of your choice. You're going to be lifting that foot approximately 6 inches off the ground and keeping it parallel to the ground. Parallel, as flat as you can make it above the ground. Okay? When you're doing this, you need to have your arms down by your side. You need to look down at the foot you have raised. You need to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and you're not going to put your foot down once you started the test. Okay? I'll go ahead and demonstrate it for you now. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so on and so on until I tell you to stop. You're going to keep on counting up until I tell you to stop.
Oh,
okay. Do you understand all these instructions?
I think so. Just start with 1001, go up until you stop.
All right. A leg of your choice, approximately 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the ground.
Okay.
You're going to look down at that foot, count 1001, 1002, 1003. Keep on counting up.
Okay.
Keep your arms down by your side.
Okay.
Your legs as straight as you can. You're not going to put your foot down or anything once you start the test. All right. You can go ahead and begin.
1001.
Look down at your foot.
1002.
Right, you can go ahead and stop. You can put your foot down. I'll be right back, okay? Alright, ma'am. You're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. I need you to keep facing towards my car. Form the opinion you've lost the normal use of your mental or physical faculties due to the introduction of alcohol into your system. You're gonna be sitting in the front passenger side of my patrol car, okay? Wait right back here. Let's make sure I just wait. You can go ahead and sit up here. I'm gonna reach around and buckle you in.